So now here we will see that uh, what are logics. Okay, basically we will proceed towards logic. So how we will start this thing is we will see that let us say we want to build a virtual assistant, virtual digital assistant, जिससे अगर मैं कुछ उसे इंफॉर्मेशन देता हूँ, लेट अस से आई टेल इट बाय टेल, then there is also an operation named as ask. Okay, so if मान लो कि इसका ये knowledge base है or it is having the repository of the informations, and if I keep on adding new facts to its knowledge base, then I can ask something from it and it should be able to derive inferences from this KB. Okay, इस KB से ये inference निकालने इसे आना चाहिए. जैसे if I say students like writing, if I have said this, that means this is tell operation, then the KB gets updated. Okay, knowledge base gets updated and it will say that's it, I have learned something. Now if I say that Ram is a student, okay, this is the second information that I gave to it. This is also tell. Okay. Now if I ask that does does Ram like writing, ये क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ इससे, दैट मीन्स इट इज आस्क. तो कंसिडरिंग दीज टू टेल ऑपरेशंस, it should be able to derive the inference that since Ram is a student and since students like writing, therefore Ram should like writing, and it should give me the information yes. Okay, so this kind of personal assistant बोल लो या फिर एक digital assistant I am trying to let us build, and these operations that I am having tell and asks, these are natural languages. That means जिस language में हम बात करते हैं it is in that language. Okay, now let us see that how many type of options are there. Basically we have natural language जो English है, हिंदी है, they are natural languages. Then we have programming languages like Python. Then we have logical languages. Okay, like propositional logic, first order logic, etc. तो नेचुरल लैंग्वेज के साथ आखिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? वी से दैट नेचुरल लैंग्वेज इज स्लिपरी. नेचुरल लैंग्वेज is slippery. Now why do we say it? This we will see through an example. Okay, so let us say I am writing a dime is better than a nickel. Then I am saying a nickel is better than a penny. Then इन दो स्टेटमेंट से हम ये इन्फरेंस निकाल सकते हैं कि therefore a dime is better than a penny. Thus a dime is better than a penny. Okay, so it's okay. ये तो ठीक है. नाउ अ पेनी, एक दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. अ पेनी इज बेटर देन नथिंग. And nothing is better than world peace. This implies that a penny is better than world peace. Now you see, does it make any sense? A penny is better than world peace? Because यहाँ पे nothing का context अलग था. So from here we conclude that natural languages को हम यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं अपने AI systems को के साथ. Okay, because it is slippery. So we generally move towards logical languages. Why? Because logical languages match more to natural languages compared to programming languages. जो लॉजिकल लैंग्वेजेस होते हैं इससे हम इन्फरेंसेस डिराइव कर सकते हैं, प्लस दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू द नेचुरल लैंग्वेजेस. ओके. Okay, in logical languages we will see, that there are, we will study generally type. They are, we will generally study two types, and they are, sorry I have written here logical twice, logical languages. They are first order logic and propositional logic. ये देखेंगे. Propositional logic and the second one that I will see is first order logic. Okay, so these two things we will see. Now what are the goals? What are the goals of a logic language? Logic language. The goals of a logic language is number one, to represent knowledge about the world. Represent knowledge about world. And the second thing is reason with that knowledge. Reason with that knowledge. Okay. Now coming to ingredients of logic. So in ingredients we will have syntax, the first one being syntax, then semantics, and then inference rules. Okay, so here regarding syntax, it states that a set of valid formulas, what it says is a set of valid expressions or formulas. in the language. Here in semantics, we have what these expressions mean. What do these expressions mean? And here in inference rules, it is logical rules used to derive new facts. Rules used to derive new facts or conclusion from the known facts. Okay, so or conclusion from the or conclusion from known facts. Okay, so in this video we will stop here itself, and then in the upcoming video we will start with logics.